Good day, traders. This is Master FX Shifu from the Universal Forex Dojo. Let's hop onto the charts and see what we've got for the day. Now, before we do that, let's check out the Wushu 2.0.
Automate your entire trade management process with the most advanced tool on the market. Remove emotions, perfect execution, all instruments. Trade the Asian session, London session, and New York session in your sleep. Spend less than 2 hours on charts and allow the Wushu to trade for you through all sessions. Wushu 2.0 features auto place, stop orders, auto break even, auto partials, auto trail stop, proprietary auto exit strategy. How it all works. Step 1. Analyze your charts and set up your trade ideas. Step 2. Input your trade setups, entry point, stop loss, and risk. Step 3. Go about your day and let the Wushu do all the work through all sessions. Summary. The Wushu will position size for you, auto place stop order, move stop to break even, take partials for you, trail stop, limit max loss for the day. Auto hedge new feature. The Wushu 2.0 Auto Hedge Mode will hedge every position you take. It will manage the 2 positions using the Dojo proprietary exit mode. The Wushu will proceed to close the losing position and take profits from the winning position. The Wushu 2.0 Auto Hedge Mode is set to close at 1.5 R of every position it takes. Take your trading to the next level with the Wushu 2.0. Get our tool, uniforexdojo.com. info@uniforexdojo.com.
Good day, traders. Hope everybody's doing well. Let us hop into the markets and see what we can take advantage of today. Can you guys confirm if my sound is good? If my screen is good? And then we can hop on. And I think just before we even start, I just saw this 15-minute opportunity here that I actually want to share with you guys. Good morning, Team D. Good morning. Good morning. Hope you are well. I just saw this BOS right here. And then, of course, I just started seeing price trickle up to the top. And I'm expecting it to basically hit this region here and tank moving further. I doubt it will turn there. And this one here, it's slightly minor, so I need to see that beautiful retracement first and then hop on there. So I'm looking at this region here, and then of course drop into the lower time frame, and then we're gonna try see what's happening above it, try see if we can spot some imbalances, and we'll see if any need to be filled, and then of course that's how you take advantage. Okay, so my sound is good. Thank you, Didi. Guys, drop me 3 more setups, and then I can definitely get the hang of it. Okay, this is not a good or decent OB to work with, but this one is, so we can actually potentially use that one. Even this one here, we could use that one. So we just spotted a couple of OBs to use, but you always want to take the high, so I'll probably take this last one here. Does price have a reason to go that high? It kind of does, especially when you're looking at this 1 minute. Kind of does. So let's hop back onto the 15. I just spotted this now while I was busy prepping my day, and then I just decided to share it with you guys. So yeah, the potential setup I will be looking at for during the course of the day, and of course confirm there. Awesome, Team D. See, Didi wants us to look at the UCAT. Solomon wants us to look at EU. How are you doing, Solomon? How are you doing? Let's hop this one here. Just cut it into half. Didi wants us to look at GJ as well. No worries, we'll definitely do that. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. Don't forget to like the stream. Okay, let's do that. There we go. Perfect. So this would be the first setup of the day that we have so far. I need that. There we go. Just want to remove that. Then of course we'll have something like that. Now another thing that you guys can look at is what happens when price hops in here. So when price does get in here, of course you'll have to wait for price to hit the middle point first, and then of course place your sell stops. With gold that we shared yesterday on Trading Nut, if you guys literally did wait for the halfway mark and put your sell stops there, then you guys literally close with 8R. You guys close with 8R if you follow that trade, which is quite beautiful. So I hope you guys got that. So this is the first one for the day. My sound doesn't sound so good, or is it just me, guys? Let me just take it down a bit. Okay, I think it's much better now. Beautiful. So that'll be the first setup of the day. And then let's hop on to EU from Solomon, and then UCAD and GJ from Didi. Okay. Let me just move some of that. Now EU, I haven't been really getting some good setups from it. I don't know why. I have not been getting great setups from it. This one hit a stop loss here on the daily. Let's see how the 4 hours looking. We just had a shift in structure just now on the 4 hour. Let's look at that. Just had a shift in structure here. Price failed to close that. We see it dropping down nicely here. The last OB, I wouldn't actually consider this one, but I would look at that one, mainly because of this massive imbalance. This is on the hourly, by the way, guys. So we would have a decent move from here on this area of interest. So this will be your area that you'll be focusing on. Of course, and then you can refine it further, or you can just keep it as is, and then when price does get there, we're gonna look at refining it and finding better R, because you know we don't like using massive stop loss ranges. So we'll get something like that. Okay, so that's how you'd approach it. Just change that quickly to your area. Much better. And then you'll have something along these lines. There we go. So that's how you'd approach EU. So let's see how that one plays out. Perfect. I hope you guys are following me. Let's take a look at UCAD and GJ. Those will be the last ones for the day. UCAD was still valid for the setup here. I just doubt price will get that low, especially after what it just did now, because we just had a shift in structure just now. So I'm just gonna move that, and then follow price from here. So now what you may want to see, this would be a riskier trade, by the way, slightly riskier, but high chance of it happening. But we could get a slight move in here. Actually, this could be the best one, because that's where the change in structure happened. And then we saw this. This is actually what we're trading, by the way. We saw this move, and then price of retrace, of course, coming back to this order block here, and then broke structure again on this candle now. So we should see it coming back to pick up here and move forward. So let's see if that's gonna work. So this could be a good decent one. And remember, you can also get in from here as well. So those are two potential points of entry. And how we usually base it is you look at the trading range, and you always want to trade below this middle part. Doesn't matter where you get in, the higher you are, the more you could get wicked out. So when looking at this 30, is there a reason for price to go lower? Yes, because you can see there's an imbalance there. There's another one here. So there is a reason for price to go even lower. So this would probably be a riskier trade, but I will keep it there for you guys. And then let's refine some more that you can't refine. So what you'll basically do if you want to keep your trades less riskier is to try and get inside these setups once they get confirmed. So you'll see how price reacts when it gets to these order blocks, and then you'll take it from there. So you'll have this setup here. You may want to reduce the stop loss range from there, just so you can get a better R. And then you'll have this one here, targeting these highs, of course. There we go, perfect. So this will be a setup on UCAD. Beautiful. And then moving forward, did I do the EU? I think I did. Yes, I did. GJ is the last one. GJ. Okay. Nothing decent there. Let's look at the 30-minute. Nope, nope, nope. The 15. Nope. Definitely not gonna touch. There was a change of structure here, but now this wick here is a bit concerning for me, so I wouldn't touch that. Let's go into the higher time frame and see what's going on. Okay, so we did have a minor retracement, and then price pushed all the way up, hitting these highs. No, because we are gonna stay away from GJ. Stay away from it. It is gonna cost us, so let's keep it at that. Okay, thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you guys. I will check you guys tomorrow, same time. Do manage your risk. Check out our bootcamp, check out our advanced signals, and of course check out Patreon. I am about to send some more trades in there. Okay, happy trading guys, happy trading. Cheers.